Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete viruses in Windows 10. So, if you want to delete viruses in Windows 10, you need to click rightmouse button icon of Start and then you need to go to Settings. Here we need to go to Update and Security, Windows Update Recovery and Backup options. And now from the left panel we need to select Windows Security. Then we need to go to Virus Threat Protection, so I click on it. And now we need to scroll down and find here Quick Scan button. This option will let you to scan your system and check if there are any viruses. So if you want to scan your PC, you need to click this button, and after that quick scanning will be started in. After a moment, files should be successfully checked and viruses should be deleted from your system. So how you see scan has been successfully finished. There are not threats found, but if they were found, it should be deleted. So it's all for today. If I helped you to solve your problem, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.